When you first open HeyGen, this process is designed to be simple even if you never used the platform before. So start by signing into your account. If you're new, creating an account only takes a minute, and once you're logged in, you'll arrive at a main dashboard where all the available tools and features are organized into one place. So from the dashboard, you'll see different sections that helps you create AI-powered videos. Everything is laid out in a straightforward way so you can quickly start a new project without spending time searching through complicated menus. If this is your first time using this platform, it's worth taking a moment to explore interface and become familiar with where your projects, templates and settings are located. To begin creating a video, click the option to start a new project. HeyGen gives you several ways to generate content depending on your workflow. You can begin with a script you already written, generate script with AI, upload existing document, or create video from URL if that's supported in your workspace. This flexibility makes it easy to adapt the platform to different types of content, whether you're making educational videos, business presentation, tutorials, or social media content. So for this example, let's create a video from a text script. Simply paste your script into the editor. The text editor is clean and easy to use, allowing you to make changes before generating the final video. You can edit paragraphs, adjust wording, or reorganize section without leaving the project. And once your script is ready, the next step is selecting AI avatar. HeyGen includes a wide variety of realistic avatars with different appearances, clothing styles, voices, and presentation styles. And depending on your project, you can choose a professional looking presenter, casual speaker, or another avatar that best matches the tone of your content. And if your workspace includes custom avatar, you can also use those to create more personalized videos. After choosing the avatar, you select your voice. There are multiple AI voices available in different languages and accents. So listen to a few samples before deciding which one fits your project best. Some voices sound more conversational, while others are better suited for corporate presentation or educational content. And with avatar and voice selected, you can customize visual layout of your video. You can add a background, upload images, include your company logo, or insert graphics to make the presentation more engaging. And before generating the video, review everything one final time. Make sure the script is accurate, selected voice matches the content, and avatar fits the overall style you're aiming for. So spending extra minute checking these details can save you time later and reduce the need for additional revision. And when everything looks good, click the generate button and this platform will begin processing your project, combining the script, AI voice avatar, and visual element into finished video. Generation time depends on the length of your content, but you'll be able to monitor the progress directly from the dashboard while the system renders your project. And once the rendering is completed, open the finished video and watch it from beginning to the end. Pay attention to pronunciation, pacing, transition, and overall presentation. If something doesn't sound quite right, or you like to improve a section, simply return to the editor, make your adjustments, and generate the video again. After you're satisfied with the final results, export the video in your preferred quality and download it to your PC. And from there, it's ready to be uploaded directly on YouTube. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.